welcome back to my channel. Today we will see a short story based on present perfect tense. Let us start. Story number 1. Mabel Jones lives in Florida in the United States. Her grandchildren live in London, England. They have lived in London for 3 years. Mabel has not seen her grandchildren in over a year. She has talked to her grandchildren on the phone and through emails many times. She has also seen pictures of her grandchildren. They have grown so much since the last time they visited America. Mabel knits scarves and blankets to send to her grandchildren in London. So far, she has knitted 2 large blankets for her granddaughters. She has also knitted a scarf for each grandchild. Story number 2. Linda has just walked outside with grandmother. She wears an apron. So far, she has finished cleaning and washing. She has also gathered seeds and crumbs. Now Linda and grandmother are outside. Linda has just dropped some seeds on the ground to feed the birds. The birds have not come yet. Recently, grandmother has moved in with Linda's family. She now enjoys living with them. Grandmother has already sat down on the bench. She also wears an apron. She has just finished cooking. Story number 3. Recently, it has snowed in Maria's town. In the last week, it has snowed 3 times. Maria has always loved the snow. She has played in the snow many times before. Maria's dog Sparky has never played in the snow. This is Sparky's first snow. He has not felt the cold yet. Maria has just received a new sled for Christmas. She puts on her warm clothes and snow boots. She pulls the sled up the hill. Sparky has run outside with Maria. Sparky has followed Maria up the hill. He feels good. Maria has finally reached the top. She sits on her sled. She rides down the hill. Sparky runs beside the sled. They have finally reached the bottom. Sparky has followed Maria all the way down the hill. Sparky has decided that he likes the snow too. Story number 4. Roger and Melinda have owned their sailboat for 10 years. During that time, they have sailed together many times. They have sailed to lots of places. They have sailed on the Pacific Ocean. They have also sailed on the Atlantic Ocean. They have even sailed around the Gulf of Mexico twice. However, they have never sailed on the Arctic Ocean or Indian Ocean. In the last year, Roger and Melinda have sailed around the Hawaii Island and across the Hudson Bay. Roger and Melinda love to travel in their sailboat. If you think it's useful, so don't forget to like, share and subscribe to this channel. Thank you.